Hello, my dear kids. Good morning, all. I'm so glad to see you all again. Hope you're all fine and safe. Yes, baby? Yes. Let's start the class with a rhyme.
A white paper, brushes and paints. Don't forget your two little hands. Use a brush to paint your little palms. Press them down and make a handprint. Draw some feathers, draw a beak. Colorful peacock, peacock all done. Use a brush to paint your little palms. Press them down and make a handprint. Draw a head, a body, and two antennae. Fluttering butterfly, all done. Colorful handprints, whatever you want. Draw your world whenever you want. Here and there, wherever you want. Left and right, up and down. Use a brush to paint your little palms. Press them down and make a handprint. Draw a head and some suckers. Wiggling octopus, all done. Use a brush to paint your little palms. Press them down and make a handprint. Draw two eyes and two claws. Pinching crab, crab, all done. Colorful handprints, whatever you want. Draw your world whenever you want. Here and there, wherever you want. Left and right, up and down.
Yay! I hope you all enjoy the rhyme. Yes, dear? Yes. Come on. Today we are going to explore something interesting. Do you know what is that? No? Let me explain. Yes, my dear kids. Today we are going to explore about the another easy way of art. Do you know what is that? The palm print. Yes. Come on. Now we are going to know about what is palm print. There is nothing more adorable than a craft made with a little hand. A palm print is a print of the palm of a hand. The technique of a painting by dip the palms in the colors and make the impression on the paper. An impression of the lines and the wrinkles of the palm of a hand on the surface. Now we are going to know about the objectives of palm print. The first one is eye-hand coordination and the second one is color identification. Apart from the usual drawing and coloring technique, hand painting can be an enjoyable experience. Palm print activity help you to work with concentration and recognize different colors and shades. Through palm print activity, you can explore the primary colors which is red, yellow and blue. And you can use your hands to mix and blend the colors to produce the secondary colors which is orange, green and purple. Yes kids, now we are going to look about the benefits of palm print. The first benefit of the palm print is easy for your little palm. Improves your sensory experience. Development of the fine motor skill. Recognizing colors. Improves hand and eye coordination. Language and speech development. Yes, my dear kids, hand painting can be rewarding experience since it builds colors and shape identification skills, allowing you to explore your sense of touch with different textured materials. It also great for fine-tuning your fine motor skill. Yes, my dear kids, now I am going to share some safety warnings while you are doing the palm print. While you are doing a palm print, you do not play with dirt. You do not put dirt or dirty hands in your mouth. You do not use potting mix. It is dangerous as it contains potential harmful bacteria. Ensure any cuts are covered. Wash your hands afterwards. Yes, my dear kids, now we are going to know about what kind of the paints we have to use to make a handprints. You have to use washable paints for making palm print art. It should be non-toxic paints and easy to dry. Now I am going to show you how to make a palm print. First you have to take a flat surface plate. Pour some color on it and add some water, mix it well. Be sure that the paint is thick. Add very little water. Otherwise, you will not get your palm print. Spread the color on the plate. Now, dip your palm on the color. Now, take your hand and immediately put your hand on the paper. Now, press your hand firmly to get the print. Like this. Wow! You done almost. Now, you take a green color and use thick round brush to make a stem and leaf of your flower. Good dear, you done a great job. Now I am going to show you the another way of making a palm print. In this method, you have to apply the colors on your palm. Now apply the gray color on your palm. Put your hands on the paper. Press your hand firmly to get the print like this. Put your hands into the bowl of water and wash your hand. Now, refill the colors where it is missed. Now, yellow color to make a duck. Now, apply the yellow color on your palm. Do the same as we do before. Now we are going to apply the red color on the palm and apply the blue color on your finger. Do the same as we do earlier. Wash your hands. Let it dry. Now take a thick round brush and draw outline. Now we will get a crane, a duck, and a flower. Wow, great! You've done a wonderful job. Yes, my dear kids, are you ready to make a lovely Father's Day card to share your love and happiness with your father? Now I am going to tell you what are the materials which are required to make a palm print. Variety of paints. The variety of paints to make a different skin tone, different hair color, and a selection of colors for clothes. Then a paintbrush. Then a canvas board or cardboard. Materials which are optional to make a tie. A scissor, a glue, cardstock or color paper in the various color, and markers. Are you ready, my dear kids? Yes. Prepare your paints and canvas board or cardboard. We will start by making the handprint face. Paint the palm part in the desired skin color. Paint the fingers with the desired hair color. You don't have to color the thumb. Check the paints are a bit more on the watery side for them not to dry quickly. Press the hands on the canvas or paper. On the upper half of the area with the fingers on the top. Wash the hands thoroughly. While the hands are being washed, the paints on the canvas or card will dry. Now turn the canvas board the upside down. Now continue with the painting the hand. Paint the palm in the color of the shirt you want your handprint person have. Also, paint the thumb and pinky finger in the same color, except for the tips. Paint the tips in the color of the skin tone you used for the head. Now, paint the other 3 fingers in the pants color. Press the hand on the canvas board to get the image as it's shown on the picture below. If you want to add a fancy tie to your art, cut it out from the different color papers. Make it fancier by adding patterns on it. Glue it on your handprint art. Draw eyes, mouth and nose with the black marker. And you can also use wiggly eyes stickers or googly eyes. That's it. It's amazing, my dear kids. Yes, my dear kids. Here I am present some sample drawings and video for your reference. Here I have shared some cute ideas and videos to make a family tree and sweet memories by using your palm print. Yes, my dear kids, let's have fun with your family by using palm print and share it your class mentor. I hope you all enjoy this palm print activity. Thank you, my dear kids. Catch you in the next video with some new concept in drawing. Stay home, stay safe.